Alright, we cut all these trees down for the most part. Get them away from the house. Now we cut these branches and we can pile them over there. All these will dry off and we'll keep the big ones and then we'll burn them off. That's the idea anyway. So we're using the Portland electric pole saw introduced to me by my son. Works very well actually. Simple to operate. Just get yourself another pair of chain, might help. And then get the screw, adjustment screw here. I lost one, so you need to get one and then spare chain. And it comes with a bolt. And I'll share it with you. Alright, here we go. We're gonna go cut. Cut. Make sure it's not going to move around. Might help. Might help when you don't move around. Try to cut about 12 inches so I can fit in that thing there, fireplace.